We are here on behalf of the President to commiserate, to sympathize with the victims and reassure the good people of Borno and by extension the nation that the government remains unwavering in its commitment to secure the lives and properties of the citizenry. The governor of Borno has been up and doing, working around the clock to complement the efforts of the federal government, and we sincerely appreciate the efforts and investments in the security architecture by the Borno State government. But most importantly, we are united in victory as well as in challenges. We are one nation tied to a common destiny. By the grace of God, inshallah, this madness will soon be over.
Your Excellency, the Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Senator Professor welcome to the Muhammad Buhari Trauma Center on eve of the Christmas. This one has and already been operated on. Sustained multiple bullet injuries and has already successfully been operated on. The